Welcome to this 5-minute affirmation meditation for health and well-being. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven for less stress and more peace. I invite you to make yourself comfortable and allow your eyes to close. Become aware of your breathing. Just observe it. No need to force it. Imagine each breath you breathe in a brilliant white light, filling every part of you, radiating bright white light. Breathe in the light, and with each breath out, all thoughts and feelings that do not serve you and any tension is being released. As you listen to the following words, all you need to do is relax and allow these words to override any thought patterns you currently have that do not serve you. Let's begin. I am grateful for my good health. My body is healthy and strong. I eat healthy foods each and every day. My mind and body are filled with positive energy. I feel great right now. I have an abundance of energy. Each day, my life is filled with vibrant health. My mind and body is a sacred temple. I am in control of how I feel. I am optimistic about the future. My mind and heart is full of joy. I am whole and my body is healed. Each and every cell of my body is full of energy. I am delighted to be alive. I am happy, healthy, and loving. Gently allow your eyes to open as you come back into the room and move into your day or evening feeling healthy, positive, and relaxed.